Hello, guys, and welcome to this Filecoin price analysis and price prediction. I think we're going to see a massive movement of the price of Filecoin right up to about $10, where the alpha trend printed the sell signal. And also, you can see that we have a green vector here, and this looks like a hammer vector candle, which has formed on the daily time frame, which is awesome. Now, we can see on the left hand corner, we have also unrecovered red vector candles, and this is around $8. I think we're gonna see Filecoin move to $8 before we can see it go right up to about $10 or $9 price range. And also consider price is below the 200-day moving average, which isn't good. So for us to really confirm that this movement is gonna be sustainable, we need to see price move above the 200-day moving average and the stock moving average. But of course, if we look at the Trendilo, we can clearly see that the Trendilo is recovering towards the 0.00 price point, and also I think there is some sort of divergence here on the Trendilo, which is awesome. You can see, yeah, this area here, we said this dip and price didn't really do anything yet. And I want you all to remember what I always mention on my platform. Whenever price is moving to the upside, always take out profit until price start going back down and you start waiting for price to reset like what price did. You can see whenever price get to this zone, looking at the Trendilo, this zone where there is this green area, the Trendilo always recover back to the overbought area. And after that, when the overbought area has printed this dark red area again, we're gonna see price move to an extent to the downside and print again this shadow zone. And now we are at this price point where price has printed this to green zone. So we're gonna expect price to move again upward and print another red shadow zone to the upside. So right now I think it's a zone. If you are a Filecoin investor, you are a trader, you are a swing trader, this is the right time to start accumulating Filecoin. And when price get to that point, as I mentioned, you can start attempting to take out profit. But again, look at all these gains that was achieved here. Everything has gone back to where price started. So you guys need to listen to what I say every now and then. Don't just go and get to the market because you are excited to get stuff or to trade without you understanding what is going on in the market. You need to understand where market is. If market is still a structure, and if say price has broken structure, whatever price does here is gonna be in relation to what Bitcoin is gonna do. So if we look at Bitcoin right now, you're gonna see that Bitcoin to an extent on the daily time frame might attempt to recover these two vectors that we are seeing here, and this is going to be a good thing. And this area is going to be towards the 60 or $64,000. Right now we are seeing price around $60,000 per Bitcoin, and Bitcoin might still go right up to about $70 or $69, where the alpha trend printed this signal. And again, I mentioned to you guys earlier that we can see Bitcoin recover all of these vector candles right down to about $52,000. And if this is the case, then we're gonna see Filecoin, price plunge downward, to the downside. So keep an eye on Filecoin. Don't just go and buy it because the bottom said it's gonna maybe outperform Bitcoin or is preparing to move to the upside. Try to look at where price is. If say price has done and if price is holding, which I think price is holding, you can see this dip here to price rise down to about $5, and this other one here, this was a stopping volume candle, and I think this also, has recovered and formed a hammer candle. So we want to see today close above this one and eat all of these candles right up to about $6, and then hold there before we can really confirm that maybe we're gonna take price to the $10 or $8 price zone. So don't just buy. I'm not just coming here to tell you that buy this or buy that. I'm here to analyze where price is and where we might expect price to move in the future. And if we look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, you're gonna see that after this huge dip here, you can see clearly these vector candles here. So now, again, if say you don't know what vector candles are all about, whenever you see a green vector candle like this in whatsoever time frame, note that the market makers are building short. They are selling to those who are buying. And whenever price is going to the downside and you see red vectors like this, they are buying from those who are selling. So they are building their short position. When you see these vector candles, the green vector candles represent the fact that they are building short. They are afraid to take price back downward. And when you see the red candle, it means they are building a long position. They want to take price back to the upside. So whatever time frame you're trading, weekly, daily, 4 hours, if say you see the candles, look back, you're gonna see that they always to an extent attempt to recover all of this vector. You can see this ones here wasn't recovered back then. Now they have recovered it, and um as they recover it, they build another area where they can push price back to the upside. And guys, it's not always that this happens, like always, but majority of the time this happens. And if say you are OG in trading or investing, then you know that if something happens multiple times, more than the time it doesn't happen, it means that that is a good way to approach the market to make huge profit. So keep an eye on Filecoin. Don't just go and buy because the Betong say we are seeing some sort of recovery in the market. Of course, looking at the daily time frame, I've seen this hammer here, and this is also a vector candle. And if we go to the 4 hours time frame, we're going to see some sort of price action as well. Look at this DPL. Look at where the alpha trend created the sell signal. That's about $9 or around $9. The first target is where the first sell signal is. That's about $6, and the second or $6 or $7, I think. And the second target is going to be where the other sell signal is. So this should be a video to help you understand where price is right now and where price might move in the future. So if this video was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such icon videos, then you ought to go right now and smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my video to someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, have a nice day. Ciao. Bye bye.